I am Simpi
and we are the TANETS
twins.
First of all, thank you so much for showing so much love on our dance covers and also on our workshops and on our live sessions. We are so grateful for receiving so many beautiful dance covers from you guys.
So finally we did this beautiful song Taal Mila. This is one of our favorite song and we really wanted to do this song, like we wanted to make a choreography on this song, and
finally here it is.
I hope you liked our dance cover.
Please do let us know your feedback on the comment section below, and also we are going to give workshop on 16th, 17th and 18th of June on the occasion of Radha Diva. So all the details are given below also and on our Instagram and on our YouTube page also. So do let us know if you are interested.
Yes.
And
don't forget to like,
share and subscribe to our YouTube channel,
and also press the bell button to get the notification of our dance covers in future. We will meet you soon.